Hi everyone, welcome to another quick session. In this session, we will discuss code of ethics. Some upcoming sessions we will mainly focus on very important topics uh, which are important for the CISSP exam. Before taking CISSP exam, we should know about those topics. So in this session, we will discuss code of ethics. So we have four mandatory canons. One is protect society, the common good, public trust, and the infrastructure. So that is most important. So I have already labeled them, all of them. I have already labeled most important, second priority, third priority, and least important. So we will discuss why this is important to understand. So first is protect society, the common good, public trust, and the infrastructure is most important. Second is act honorably, act honestly, justly, responsibly, and legally. That is second priority. Third one is provide service, deliver diligent and competent service to principals, employers, clients. That is third priority. And fourth one is advance and protect the uh, cyber security profession. So this one is the least important. Most important is protect society. Second is second priority, I would say, act honorably, and third is provide service. So they all are important, but why we are talking about which one is most important? Because in exam you can see in exam that which one is least important or which is most important, right? So you might see a question related to this. So to remember, uh, mnemonic, papa, so protect, act, provide, advance. So now the exam tips, always choose the option that protects society and follows the law, right? So there could be a common exam traps, hiding vulnerabilities to to protect employer reputation, acting without legal authorization, so providing service beyond your competence, and violating intellectual property rights. So we should know these could be the exam traps. So that means you may see these similar kind of statements in the exam, right? So we need to make sure that if question talks about protecting society, then we should choose that option. If question talk about we should how we should act honorably, honestly, justly, and responsibly. And legal aspect is very important. Provide services, deliver diligent and competent service to principals, and so advanced profession. So you should cybersecurity is the domain or is the profession where you have to keep learning. Need to improve. You need to improve your security skill on a regular basis, continuously, because you should stay up to date with the new security challenges in the market, the new security issues um, which your company might experience, right? So if you advance your profession, career, You need to advance yourself, protect the cybersecurity profession. So, why I'm talking about these common exam traps? So, if they talk about you can, let's say, hide vulnerability, some kind of vulnerabilities to protect your employer, that is wrong. So, acting without legal authorization, you are not supposed to do anything without legal authorization. If you are not competent to provide service, you need to be transparent to your client, to your company, right? So you are not competent enough to provide them the services, violating intellectual property, right? So you are not supposed to violate any intellectual property. So if we conclude our discussion, protect society is always on top. If you see, uh, act honorably. Second thing, provide services, deliver diligent, and last one is advance profession is the least important thing. So if you see what could be the least important code of ethics or canon, so you can choose advance profession. So that's it. In upcoming sessions, we will talk more about some random topics about CISSP exam. So we need to keep practicing them. So they are very important. So for instance, you may see one question related to this particular topic. So thank you so much for watching this session. If you have any feedback, any comment on this topic, please share in the comment section.